Choosing a speaker, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen and JBL Flip 6 are both great, but they serve very different needs. Let's break down which one is actually better for you. So the Echo Dot 5th Gen is a smart speaker with Alexa built in, great for hands-free music control, smart home commands, alarms, timers, weather, reminders, and more. It delivers decent sound for its size with clearer mids and voice clarity, but its bass and volume are modest. Some of its pros: built-in Alexa voice assistant, great for everyday info and smart home control, and affordable and small footprint. However, the sound won't match dedicated Bluetooth speakers, and it needs a power outlet, no battery option. It's best for dorm rooms, kitchens, and smart home control with music playback. The JBL Flip 6 is a dedicated Bluetooth party speaker with powerful sound, deep bass, and rugged IP67 waterproof, dustproof design. It gets loud, stays punchy, and runs on battery, perfect for outdoor, pool days, and travel. Some of its pros: louder, fuller sound with stronger bass, portable Bluetooth and long life battery, and rugged and waterproof, great for outdoor use. However, no voice assistant built in. It's heavier and less compact than Echo Dot. It's best for music lovers, outdoor use, and mobile listening. The final verdict: go with Echo Dot 5th Gen if you want a smart speaker that handles voice commands, smart home control, and casual music around the house. Go with the JBL Flip 6 if you want stronger sound, deep bass, portability, and outdoor reliability with truly good music performance. The bottom line: Echo Dot for smart convenience and everyday use, and the JBL Flip 6 for portability and better music sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.